episode in our series on raising multilingual children is for you. If you're a parent looking for advice on how to make the language immersion experience fun for you and your kids. You surely realize that the more fun your language immersion is, the less you and your child will feel like there is an extra language at play in your language acquisition time. The best news here is that making things fun can be relatively simple. And here's how. First of all, use ready-made games, toys, and objects that you have at home and love to play with anyway. Like, for example, if you have a wooden puzzle like this one, you can use it to work on the names of the family members, on the emotions, or the names of the clothing items. Secondly, nothing gets more fun than when you get your body moving. Wiggle, jump, run, sing and dance, hide and seek. There's no better way to experience the language than doing it through and with movement. Get out of your comfort zone and walk around your living room like wild animals, naming the animals you mind. Or play the musical stages with a fun song for kids that you may find on YouTube or on Spotify. Grab your toys and hide them around the house. Then go looking for them, and whenever you find one, name it. With these and many more active games, I bet you'll have lots and lots of fun. Another idea that you may enjoy are role reversible play pretend scenarios. Do you have some musical instruments at home? How about you take them all out and form a band or an orchestra? You need to agree on your roles, on the type of music you'll be playing, and the instruments you choose. You can also improvise some instruments from everyday objects you have at home. How'd you like my drum? Finally, if you want to, you can also create your own games and materials. If you're one of those DIY parents, you'll probably find my other videos under this channel interesting too. You may want to know as well that we also share some printables on our website and on our blog page with you. Whatever you do, what will matter the most here is that you get your kids fully involved and that you get fully involved and enjoy it yourself too. Next time, I'll speak to you about following your child, and I'll also explain to you how to speak to your children in order to create the optimal conditions for them to learn the language. In order not to miss it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I can't wait to see you next time and wish you a great day.